Thanks for sticking with us on Good Day Kansas. Zach McGuire is back on the show. He's a sales rep at Lusco Brick and Stone, and we're here in East Wichita at an ongoing project. Zach, thanks for the time.
Yeah, of course, we're happy to be here.
Of course, so we see you guys are working a lot on this house right now. Can you kind of give us an overview of what you guys are doing?
Yeah, so this one we wanted to show you guys kind of a remodel of a home. This is a house that's been existing that we did the original brick on. They wanted to add some stone and then they wanted to add some flair, so they put some brick up and they're going to paint it to give it a more modern feel. But yeah, we've got a lot of different areas where we've worked on this lately.
And is that common for someone to want to add on to an existing project?
Yeah, absolutely. So say they love the area where they live, they have great relationships with their neighbors and stuff, so they don't want to move, but they'd like some change. That's when you can add on to your house, or you can do a pool, planters, a patio, anything like that to make it more of a new feel.
And so how long does someone typically live in a house for before they want to add that flair?
It does range sometimes, but typically we're seeing more of like a 10 to 15 year range. You've lived in your house for a while, you see the same things every single day, then you start to realize maybe I need to update this or update that to give it a little better look or something like that.
Okay, and then who is physically working on the project here?
So the mason on this one is Chavez Masonry. They're a great local mason in town. They do a ton of work, so if you have any projects, we can for sure get you in touch with them.
Awesome. Well, we're going to go check out the side of the house where they have some awesome painted brick. All right, so we're here on the side of the house now. Obviously, we see the part down the middle. What's on both sides?
So this is existing brick here that was on the house, and what they did was they did an addition on the back portion. So what they wanted to do was give a more modern look. So they decided to paint it so they can tie in the old with the new and give it that modern feel. The painted brick is a more economical thing because it's a brick that maybe had a wrong firing in the kiln or just a little bit off color than what they wanted, so we can sell it at a discounted rate. So if you're going to cover it up, it doesn't really matter what it looks like underneath.
I think it's so cool. So we've touched on the front of the house, obviously now the side. Now we're going to head to the back to finish it off. All right, well, we've made our way to the back of the house. Obviously they're putting in a lot of work here. What are they doing?
So what they're doing here is they're kind of revamping their whole backyard. They're going to add a pool. They've got a hot tub. They've got some pillars in behind us. They've got planters. They built an entire new wing over here. So basically they're just going to try and change the whole feel of what their backyard looks like.
If they have any questions, if they want to reach out, they saw something they like and they want that at their house, where can they do all that?
Yeah, they can come see us at 929 East 14th Street North downtown. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram at Lusco Brick and Stone, or our website, luscobrick.com.
So cool. Check them out. Zach, thanks for the time.
Thank you.
Of course, that wraps up today's edition of Good Day Kansas. Make sure to join us tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. for another episode.